In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Insightly Crm. Once you are logged in, start from the home area. This is a good place to begin because it helps you quickly create and manage the core records you will use every day. From home, click New Contact. A contact is where you store details for a person you are doing business with, so you can track communication and activity in one place. Now enter the name and email for the contact. Use a real name and a valid email format, since these fields are commonly used for searching, communication, and reporting later. After you have filled in those details, save the contact. Saving right away ensures the record is created so you can connect it to tasks, opportunities, or emails as you work. Next, move to Opportunities and then choose New Opportunity. Opportunities are used to track potential deals or sales from early interest to a final outcome. When you create the opportunity, set the pipeline and stage. The pipeline helps you organize different sales processes, and the stage shows where this deal currently sits. Choosing the right stage matters because it affects forecasting and helps your team understand what to focus on. After that, go to Tasks, click New Task, and assign a due date. Tasks keep your follow-ups organized, so nothing slips through the cracks. Adding a due date is especially important because it gives you a clear timeline and helps you prioritize what needs to happen next. Then head to Projects and click New Project. Projects are useful when work extends beyond a single follow-up and needs structure over time. Creating a project gives you a dedicated place to manage ongoing work tied to a client or internal initiative. When you are ready to communicate, open emails. Here you can compose a message and send it. Keeping emails within the CRM helps centralize your communication history, which makes it easier to stay consistent and informed when you return to a record later. Finally, go to Reports and select a standard report to view data. Standard reports are a quick way to see performance and activity without building anything from scratch, and they help you spot trends in contacts, opportunities, and workload. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.